Hello guys, today we will discuss the full outer join. We have already discussed the left outer join and the right outer join. If you have not watched that video, so please watch it first because it will help you a lot in this video. So let's see what is full outer join. We have considered same things, that the same two tables, that is the foreign key, that is the primary key, and it is the primary key for this table. Each and everything are same. Let's consider that this query, select EID, ename, department.did, that is a department.did, comma dname. Okay, after that from which table? Employees and department. It will be read at employees and department. We have taken that full outer join. You can skip this outer word here, full join. You can write full join. Okay, so full join. After that, on what basis? On where employee.did is equal to department.did. It will match out these values. But the main thing is that it's a full outer join, so it will consider every row from left table and the right table. Okay, either they match it or not, does not matter, but it will consider every row here. Okay, so what will be the output? Let's see. First of all, the shortcut of writing this output is you write all the right side table or a left side table first. So I am taking the right side table, that is the D1. Please see carefully. D2, D3, D4, D5, D6. Okay, D up to D6. After that, sales, marketing, inventory department, their respective departments are sales, marketing, okay, inventory. After that, the development, okay, then designing. After that, it is a transport. Let's see what will be the outcome from the left side table. Let's see the D1. Where D1 matches out? Here D1 matches out. So we will write D1 here. That is a 2 Smith 80,000. Okay. Its corresponding EID is 2 Smith. Okay, we have not to write a salary here. So 2 Smith, which has a D1 department and has the sales department. After that, the D2. Okay, D2, where is the D2? There is no D2. That means there is no one employee who works under the department of employee. So we have to write null. Okay, you can't skip it empty. It will be the null value here. After that, D3, please matches out the D3. Here is the D3. The value is 1. And after that, Jack. Okay, after that, D3 has been, we have to forget the write this, the D3 comes the, sorry, we do not, let me check out the D3. Here's the D3, we have to write it. Yes, we have to write it. No, we don't have to write this. Please remember, right now. We don't have to write this because we are considering on the right side table. Okay, so we have to skip right now this. After that, the inventory for the develop. Okay, develop, sorry, for the D4. Here is D4, no. So we will write null here. Okay, after that D5, where is D5? No, there is no D5. That means we will write null, null. Okay, after that D6, is there any D6? Yes, there is a D6 4. That means the value is 4, rock. Okay, that is the right side taken. I will consider the all the rows from the right side, but we will consider now those rows which has been skipped in from the left side table. That will be the, first of all, I have taken first Jack. Okay, either I have taken, no, it will be taken. Third John, no, it has not been taken. Then Rock, yes, it has been taken. Fifth Paula, not taken. Sixth Shauna, not taken. 7, not taken. So I will take, okay, let me check this one. Second, third, 6th, 5th, 6th, 9. Okay, this will be the, again will be written like this. 2, 3, 5, then 6 and the 7. Okay, and their corresponding values are after that. The 2 is Smith. Let me check. Okay, we have taken the Smith already. Sorry. We have taken the Smith. We have not taken the 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that will be the output. That is a 3. That is a John. After that, the fifth one is Paula. That is a Shaina and Mathili. Shaina and Mathili. Okay, guys. After that, let me check. What is the DID? It's 3. It's a DID is null. That means null. So we have to department, that is also null. That is there is no null value. That means null will come here. Null. Null. Okay, guys. After that, Paula. Fifth. That is a DID. Department ID is null. Again null. Null. After that, the sixth, Shaina. Its department ID is null again. Okay, so we have to take null again here because no corresponding values is there. It's only be null. After that, the 7, Mathili is DID 3. That means D3 is the inventory department. Okay, so it's D3. Now the D3 comes here. Okay, we will not consider D3 again here because at the time of taking all the rows from the other table, it will come automatically in that time. Okay, so that is the D3 inventory. So that is the main output from this full outer join. Okay, guys, this is all about the full outer join. You can do these things in this ways and be careful writing the output. Okay, guys. So that is all about. We will do self join or other joins if there. That will be written in this outro. So if you like my videos, please share these videos and subscribe the channel. And please follow the playlist. The link is under the description of this video. Thank you.